你上周末过得怎么样啊？
老师啊，我上周末做了很有意思的事情。周末天气下雨了，我不喜欢这种天气，但是我见面了我最好的朋友。毕业大学后我们一直没见面，都有朋友圈嘛，我们一起过时间吃饭聊天，我把很喜欢的在等你时老师你怎么了？
老师错了，老师没有教好你。
我说错什么了吗
？Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Little Jun's Chinese. I'm Junjun. Before we start today's topic, let me ask you a question first. When you are learning a new language, especially if this language is really different from your mother tongue, do you sometimes feel the sentence structures are hard to understand and it takes a long time to remember them? Even though you remember them well, when you try to speak sentences, you still can't help following the rules of your mother tongue.
是的，是的。
Do you know why this happens?
为什么呢？
Actually, this phenomenon is called language transfer. There are both positive transfer and negative transfer. When the new language has the same or similar rules to your mother tongue, then positive transfer works. However, when the new language has very different rules from your mother tongue, it may cause negative transfer, which is not easy to overcome. Even for advanced language learners, it happens now and then. Personally, when I was studying English, I always made a mistake. In English, it's although something something, but in Chinese, it turns out to be 虽然 something, 但是 something, which literally means although something, but something. So, as a Chinese native speaker, I sometimes make mistakes like this. Apparently, people may still understand you, even though there are misunderstandings at times. But if you can speak more authentically, then why not?
Yes, why not?
Okay, let's see why the teacher cried.
周末天气下雨了，我不喜欢这种天气。
We usually say 天气好 or 不好, and then plus the situation sunny, cloudy, or rainy. So you can say 天气很好，很晴朗 or 天气不好，下雨了。
但是我见面了我最好的朋友。
We usually say 和 somebody 见面. We never say 见面 somebody, or you can just say 见 somebody. Here is a past tense, so we should add le after 见 or 见面.
我的朋友比我一样大。
Compared with A, B is different from A. We can say A, B, B plus adjective. For example, 学生比老师可爱。
对对对。
这本书比那本书有意思。This book is more interesting than that one. So 一样 means the same. However, when the two things are the same, we never say A, B, B 一样 plus adjective. Instead, we say A 和 B 一样 plus adjective. So here it should be 我和我朋友一样大。We are the same age.
毕业大学后我们一直没见面。
If you want to say graduate from university, we say 大学毕业. But if you want to emphasize the specific uni that you graduated from, you can say 我毕业于 and your uni's name, 大学. Here, 于 is a preposition indicating the place. So here it indicates the uni that you graduated from.
我们一起过时间、吃饭、聊天。
Here, 过时间 is wrong, unless you spend festivals or birthdays. For example, 过圣诞节 spend Christmas. 过春节 spend Chinese New Year. 过生日 spend birthday. So if you want to say spend some time doing something, you can say somebody 花时间 doing something. 花 here's a verb, means to spend. For example, 他花时间学习中文 He spends time studying Chinese. But in Chinese, we usually omit the part 花时间 when you are spending time with others. We just say 我们一起 plus do something. We together do something. Unless you want to emphasize you spend a lot of time or how many hours or how many days you have spent. For example, 我花了1个星期做 YouTube 视频 I spent a week making a YouTube video.
老师，你辛苦了。
不辛苦，不辛苦。
多喝热水。
Remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
必须的。他告诉我他很喜欢他的工作，他的下一个目的是自己开公司。
Although 目的 means goal, aim, it suggests the intention and reason for doing something.
我学中文的目的是能看懂中国电影。
So here we should use 目标 which suggests your direction and destination. For example, 我工作的目的是赚钱，我的目标是1年赚1块钱。So here we should say 他的下一个目标是自己开公司。
我为他很高兴。
Here we say 我为他高兴 instead of 我为他很高兴。But if you want to emphasize you are very happy for her, you can say 我真为她高兴 or 我很为她高兴。For example, 我为你骄傲 I'm proud of you. 我真为你骄傲 I'm so proud of you.
这是个很好的天。
We usually say 这一天很美好。A day in Chinese is 一天 No need to add the measure word 个 When we express good day, here good, we usually say 美好 instead of just 好。美 means beautiful. For example, life is great. 生活很美好。
生活很美好。老师，你可不可以把这段剪掉？我们重录一下，好吗？
Okay, fair enough.
Action!
Hi.
Action!
周末天气不好，下雨了。我不喜欢这种天气，但是我和我最好的朋友见面了。大学毕业后，我们一直没见面。我们一起吃饭聊天，他告诉我，他喜欢他的工作，他的下一个目标是自己开公司。我真为他高兴，这一天很美好。
That's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to me. Bye for now.